Hello everyone, I'm Julia. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to use the One Touch Call feature on the Ailunce H1. This feature lets you set up a contact you can call instantly, no matter what contact is set to the current channel. You can set it to the side case here to make your communication more efficient. Now let me show you how to set it up. First, go to Menu on the Ailunce H1 and open One Touch Call. Here, One Touch Call. You can provide 5 different One Touch Call entries. Select One Touch Call 1. Then choose Edit One Touch. Contact List. Priority. Okay, in this demo, we will use TG3. And set the call type to the voice call. Next, we will set this function to a side key. Go to Menu, Settings, Radio Settings, Key Settings. Choose SK1 short, then set it to the One Touch Call 1. Remember, you can customize which side keys you want to use. Now let's confirm the contact settings. Menu, Contacts, Contact List. And the TG1 with 568. And the TG3 with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we have set that contact on the Ailunce HD2. On the Ailunce H1, band B is using TG1 with ID 568 if we transmit from the H1 normally. Here we can see the HD2 shows the receiving contact as 568, which is TG1. Now let's test the One Touch Call feature. Short press SK1 and then press PTT. You will see that H1 is now transmitting with TG3, and the HD2 shows the receiving contact as TG3 with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After you release PTT and wait for a few seconds, the radio will go back to using the contact set to the current channel, which in this demo is TG1. You can adjust this hang time in the CPS. And that's how to use the One Touch Call on the Ailunce H1. I hope this video helps you better understand and how to use it. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more radio tips and tutorials. I'm Julia. See you next time.